Hey, Temi guys, good evening. Yeah, we are back on our discussion. The erosion of vaginal tips, the way forward, continuation of vaginal tips. Ẹ̀yin tiwa, a ṣe ń tẹ̀síwájú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wa tá a sọ ti tẹ́lẹ̀ bí a ṣe ń tọ́jú ojú ara ọmọbìnrin pẹ̀lú ìlera pẹ̀lú ìmọ́tótó. Ohun tá a máa sọ lénìí, tá a máa sọ lọ́wọ́ yìí ní àṣálẹ́ yìí ni pé ibi tí obìnrin gbọ́dọ̀ máa gbé ojú ara ẹ̀ sí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ pé à ń dáwọ́ tẹ̀lé a fẹ́ ṣe gá àbí a fẹ́ ṣègbọ̀nsẹ̀ àbí a fẹ́ tọ̀. What we're going to be discussing this evening is where you should dip your ass in the process of you want to make poo-poo, you want to pee. Nowadays, I've seen many situations, including among some of my friends, including colleagues, including the people you meet by chance on day-to-day activities. A lot of ladies, they don't know where they just dip their pussy anyhow. I remember then, each time I go to the pool, people see that as an opportunity. You begin to wonder the way girls use public toilets. Yes, it's all these five-star hotel. The way they use public toilet, like maybe they don't have toilet in their home. The toilet that you were not there, you are not sure when it was washed last, whether they even wash it properly. You just open your pants, dip your, into the ladies. Whenever we are the ladies, you just sit down. I have never used toilet outside, believe me, in my life, because I get irritated easily. Ẹ̀yin tèmi mò ń sọ lọ bí àwọn obìnrin ṣe máa ń dá ẹ̀mí ojú ara wọn légbodò, kò síbi tí wọn ò lè gbédi wọn sí lórí pé a fẹ́ ṣègbọ̀nsẹ̀, a fẹ́ yàgbẹ́, a fẹ́ tọ̀, kì í ṣe nǹkan tó dáa. Mò ń sọ gbogbo gbàtà bá lọ lúwẹ̀ẹ́ ta lọ swim ní swimming pool, lóòótọ́ àwọn ọbẹ̀ yẹn 5-star hotel ni, but bẹ́ẹ̀ kó bẹ́ẹ̀ lómi tẹ̀yìn máa ń ṣe ẹ̀rọ pé wọn ò ní lè gbọ̀nsẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n kàn jókòó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni níbi táwọn obìnrin ti ń bọ́ra yẹn tọ́wọ́ láwọn fẹ́ ṣègbọ̀nsẹ̀. Mo ti rí láàrin gbogbo àwọn tájọ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ náà tọ́lẹ́tì ilé iṣẹ́ ìwé bó ṣe ń lò mọ́mọ́ wíṣẹ́ yìí ò ní lè gbọ̀nsẹ̀ lé ní obìnrin á pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ bẹ̀lẹ́ máa gbọ́ tá a máa yàgbẹ́ pọ̀pọ̀pọ̀pọ̀pọ̀ mọ̀ gbà tó fọ̀ mọ̀ bóyá ẹ̀ tọ́ ní kò fọ̀ bóyá ò fọ̀ lójoojúmọ́. Obìnrin mi ò ní ìtìjú. Some ladies don't have decency, they don't have principle, they are anyhow. Even some of my colleagues at work, you will just see them going to the toilet, they went there to poo-poo. They will just sit anyhow, you will be even hearing the sound of the poo-poo. No cursing, the vagina is very fragile. Unless I forget, please, those of you using vaginal wash or cleanser, if you don't have infection or allergy, you don't use it all the time. Yes, it's vaginal wash, but it's so treated that if it's too much too, it can damage you use vaginal wash maybe once in a week at least if you are not infected. The cleanser maybe twice in a week. Bá a ṣe ń sọ lọ lórí ọṣẹ ojú ara tó fi ń fọ ojú ara tá à ń pè vaginal wash àbí tè tó fi ń clean rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú tissue, kì í ṣe gbogbo ìgbà lèèyàn lò. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ní àrùn lójú ara, tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ní ìjàmbá lójú ara, kì í ṣe gbogbo ìgbà, ẹ̀ẹ̀kan lọ́sẹ̀ àbí ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì lọ́sẹ̀. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin obìnrin, ilé ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀ tẹ́ bá lè jẹ́ kókó kọ́ra, ìwọ tẹ́ ò lè má lo ilé ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀ tí ò ń ṣe tilé rẹ. Ẹ ní wipes yín, àtọ́ máa ń pè ní wipes yẹn bíi tissue ní tó ti treat pẹ̀lú Dettol báyìí. First of all, sterilize the WC, any WC that is not your own WC. Even if it's your own WC, some are still dirty, they don't clean it. A friend visited my home. Believe me, if you get to my bathroom, you will love it more than any place. I'm very skeptical about my bathroom, my toilet. But I was surprised the way my friend just anyhow. Let's see.